To make a Revolut account in India, start by downloading the Revolut app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide your mobile number. So enter your Indian mobile number and click on the Next button. You will then receive a verification code on your mobile number. Enter this code to verify your number. After verifying your number, you will be asked to provide some personal details such as your name, email address, and date of birth. Make sure to provide accurate information as it will be used for verification purposes. Next, you will be asked to upload a valid government-issued ID such as your passport, driving license, or Aadhaar card. Ensure that the ID is clear and visible, and that all the details are accurately captured. You may also be asked to take a selfie to verify your identity. After uploading your ID and taking a selfie, you will be asked to set up a password and security questions. Choose a strong and unique password, and make sure to answer the security questions accurately. This will help to keep your account secure and prevent unauthorized access. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be asked to add a funding source such as your debit or credit card. You can also add money to your Revolut account using UPI or net banking. Make sure to review the terms and conditions before adding a funding source. After adding a funding source, your Revolut account will be activated and you can start using it to make transactions. You can use your Revolut account to send and receive money, make online payments, and exchange currencies at competitive rates. It is essential to note that Revolut is a digital banking app and is not a traditional bank. Therefore, it is crucial to understand the fees and charges associated with using the app. Make sure to review the fees and charges before making any transactions. In conclusion, making a Revolut account in India is a straightforward process that requires you to provide some personal details, upload a valid ID, and add a funding source. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can create a Revolut account and start using it to manage your finances effectively.